Welcome to Ask and Learn.
So what is marginal product? Whenever we talk about marginal, we are talking about one additional unit of something. This is one plus unit of x, something. And product is basically the output of some input. So when we're talking about marginal product, we are usually talking about how much more product, how much more of something that you produce is one additional unit of capital or labor going to provide you. So the way to calculate that is if you have a column for the number of workers that you have, we'll denote that by labor, and the amount of product you have. If you have 1, 2, 3, 4 workers, and for each worker, for one worker, you get you get 4 pieces of clothing. For 2 workers, you get 7 pieces of clothing. For 3 workers, you get 9 pieces of clothing. And for 4 workers, you get 10 pieces of clothing. The marginal product of the fourth worker, would be equal to the product of the fourth worker minus, I'm going to write PR, the product of the fourth worker minus the product of the third worker. That's how much product that this fourth worker provides. So that would be equal to 9, or 10 minus 9, which is equal to 1. So the marginal product of 4 workers, or the fourth worker, is going to be equal to 1. Now, similarly, it'll be the same thing for capital and product. So if I have 4 machines, for my first machine, I can have 4 pieces of clothing. For my second machine, I can have 7 pieces of clothing. This is just hypothetical. For my third machine, I have 9 pieces of clothing, and for my fourth machine, I have it produce 10 pieces of clothing. The marginal product of the third machine, in this case, the marginal product of the third machine is equal to the product of the third machine minus the product produced by having 2 machines. So this is equal to 9, and this is equal to 7. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So the marginal product, the product you get as from hiring one additional unit of capital, is equal to 2 when you're talking about your third unit of capital.